So first big delivery from DC Auto. Can't wait to get that baby open, but glad to have found them. Saves a boatload of money going used on a couple essential pieces, but we'll open that up soon. Waiting on the next delivery that should come, and that'll be about 60 to 70% of the stuff we need. Most of the complete front end. The rear, that's still a question, but let's see what comes in UPS. Nice, look at this big box over here. Jesus. Alright, we got a lot of boxes. We're gonna open them up. Let's see what's inside, what I'm still missing, and let's try to get this thing started this week and driving again. So what did I net? It looks like I got my bumper. I'm gonna go over my main sheet here, but I'm gonna set the camera up for that. I got a bunch of things for my Cayenne GTS manual, PCV, new oil filter cap that came from Pelican. We got some used parts here. The condenser, the radiator, condenser, the shroud, one of the bumper stops. That's the radiator support, which actually looks like a little bit of damage is there. Let's see how that plays out. That was broken. The undershield, and then some new parts. We're definitely missing a couple of things, so I'm gonna go over it. But we got a nice bulk of parts here, so hopefully we can start building and try to get this thing back on the road as soon as possible. These are the air guides. That's the recycled new one. That's the damaged broken one. This piece is missing. I'm gonna have to order one of those, the inner wheel liner. Don't think that's gonna be recoverable at all, but just to check. And then obviously we got the bumper here, which was on sale through Pelican, so I kind of lucked out with that one. Pretty much got my whole radiator support, so I think she can drive. I'm gonna try to repair that rear bumper, but once I get that unit, I need a couple clips on that AC, those hoses. We're gonna get to work and salvage what we can. See, the headlight's a little bit crooked, but this is aluminum, these fenders. It's got a little crease there, I'm not too worried about. Last episode we got the seat belts in. We're gonna have to get these wheels refinished, but we're gonna get to work over here, and she should be drivable pretty soon. Alright, so I was able to fix that fan shroud that was popped off, a little bit bent, and it's not hitting the fan, so I think we're good. I'm a little confused about this piece. I guess that was hanging off there even though there's a little clip. But let's see, I'm just trying to reverse engineer and take it from there. So let's see.